Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to add search as you type text box for your Google Sheet. So I will simply explain the method we have to follow to do this task. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So now what I am going to do, I am going to create a new Google Sheet. To create a new Google Sheet, just click on the new button. Then from this drop down menu, select Google Sheets, then select blank spreadsheet. So you have to take new Google Sheet like this. After that, I need a small table, sample table, to do this one or to do this task. So here I have small data table like this. I'm going to copy and paste this table to my new Google Sheet. Copy, then paste. Yeah, this is my database. So based on this table, I am going to create search as you type text box. So you can create your own table to for this task. So yes, first step is okay. I created a new Google Sheet, Google spreadsheet, and I created a table like this. So my table contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, right? So the second part is, for this we have to use app script, okay, to do this task. We have to use app script. So how to use app script? So you can see here there is a so you can see. So to use app script, you need to click on these extensions. So from this drop down menu, you have to select app script. If you receive this kind of message, then click OK button. So here basically I'm going to copy and paste my pre-written code here. So this is the function. Okay, this is the function you need to use. Okay, under the code.js. Okay, now I'm going to copy my app script like this. I'm going to paste like this. Okay, yes. Now here, this is the app sheet ID. So you can see once you are in your Google spreadsheet, new sheet, you have something called like this. So this is the app script ID. So you need to copy, then go to the app script page, then you need to paste here. Right. Yeah. So it is. So you need to do this, and you have to give your sheet name. Here my sheet name, I want to change my sheet name as data, right? So under this script, you need to give your data name, sheet name. Here in my case it is data. Then here you need to give app script, sorry, a spreadsheet ID. So you can take the spreadsheet ID here like this. You have to copy this thing and paste here. Okay, now I'm going to save my code. Now this is the app script I used to create what we call the type search as to type. So next one we need here HTML plate. Okay, so click on this plus mark and select HTML. Then I am going to name my HTML page as index. Right, index. Then I have HTML code here. So it designs the HTML form. Copy and paste. Right. Save your script. Save your HTML file like this. Now we have two files. First one is code.js or Google script, and second one is HTML or index page. It is HTML page. Now basically you need to have these two things to create search as to type text box for this Google Sheet. Then I am going to the next thing is you need to so you can run and check whether it works, or on the other hand you can deploy this one. How to deploy? Click on the deploy, then select new deployment. So under the new deployment, click on this gear icon, then select web app. So here you need to give a description. So I am going to give a description as search as you type. Then here you can select either we have two options. So here I am going to select use accessing web app, and who has access. Here I am going to select anyone with Google account. So this is the things I gave for under the new deployment. Then once you fill these boxes, then click on the deploy. So it will take few minutes to deploy the project. Yes, so once the project is deployed, then you can see this kind of window. Here there are two links. First one is in deployment ID and second one is URL. So here I am going to click on the URL. So once I click on the URL, what happens? So here I have to give my permission. Click on the review permission. Then select your Google account. So after that, here you need to click advanced, then select go to untitled project, or select this link. Then here click on the allow. Yes, now my code runs. So after run my code, you can see this kind of window. So here this is my search as you type text box. So this page will find any records in this table. So for example, I am going to type 1001, then click on the search button. So once I click on the search button, here this is the specific record. So specific record shows here under this window. So this record, you see this record is shown there. So if I type just say 102 and click on the search button, what happens? Yeah, it searches the second record of my Google Sheet. So this is the way you can use. So this is the way of using Google Sheet and AppScript to search data in your Google Sheet. So on the other hand, the other advantage is by clicking the print option, you can print your report in PDF format. Here you can save your report in PDF format, or you can print out. You can print the report. Okay. So once you receive a result, then you can print your record by a single click. So just say here I'm going to type 1003 and press the search button. So it generates the record number 3 of my Google spreadsheet. So likewise, you can create your own search box for your Google Sheet. So it will helpful to find any record, and it will save your time. So you can share this index.html page with your group. So likewise, it will help you for your day-to-day works. So this is how you can create search text box for your Google spreadsheet. So I will add the link to get this code under the video description. So if you need any clarification regarding this method, please put a comment under the video comment section so I can reach to you while reply. So that is it for today. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.